everyone. Welcome to day one of my 30-day Pilates journey. Today we will be connecting to our core with Pilates. Let's get started. So I'm going to have you lie down on your back on your mat. Go ahead and get centered, get cozy. We're going to step the feet down onto the mat with your knees straight up to the ceiling, your toes straight out. And I want you to just place your hands onto your stomach and lie heavy onto the mat from your tailbone through the crown of your head, just feeling your spine long. And now take a big breath in. And on your exhale, you're going to sink your abdominals in towards the mat, pulling your belly button to the spine. And use your hands kind of as a way to feel that happening and just hold that tension there in your stomach. And now keep breathing here as you hold the belly in and up, thinking of cinching from the sides of the waist, turning on your internal corset. Good. And then go ahead and let it go. We'll do that again. Take a big breath in and exhale to sink the abdominals in and up, down to the mat, pulling those abs in as tightly as you can, doing this without changing the shape of your skeleton. So your spine is still kind of at neutral the way it was before you pulled your abs in. This time it's just supported with those abdominals. Now go ahead and let go of that effort in the belly. We'll do it one more time. Big breath in. And exhale to sink the abdominals down and down and down. Pull the sides of the waist in and in and in as tight as you can. And then let it go. Good. From here, we're going to start some heel drags just to really get connected. So now we'll breathe in. Exhale, pull the abdominals in and up. We'll start with the right leg, just sending it out and down onto your mat. And then using the powerhouse to pull it in. And we'll keep on this right side, sending the leg down, pulling it in like it has a 200-pound weight on it. And as you do this, I want you to think of the abs doing the work, but also the abs staying in and up and your spine not moving at all. So if you feel your back kind of tipping, you want to use those abdominals, connect deep down into your core to make sure that everything is really stable. Go ahead and switch legs. Left leg reaches out. It's really heavy. Low belly pulls in, the waist pulls in. Reach out that left leg again. And pull it in. Keep it moving. Let's go 3 more and see if you can connect into your core, letting your abs do the work of dragging that heel towards your seat. We'll do that 2 more times. Reach it out and then pull it heavily back in to stand on it. Now I'll take both legs, reach both legs out, and then use your abs to pull them in. Try not to move from your spine. Keep it all connected. Belly in. And pull it in, dragging it close. 2 more. Reach them out. And pull those heels in. 1 more time. Reach away. Ooh, good. And pull them in. Now from here, we'll pick both knees up in towards the center. Go ahead and give them a hug for a moment to stretch your low back. And now from here, we're going to take the arms up towards the ceiling and lift the legs into a tabletop position so that the inner thighs are tight, big toes, ankles, and knees together. And the belly button is still holding down towards the mat, so you're still connected into the powerhouse, into those abdominals. Now we'll breathe in and reach the arms back without moving the spine. And exhale and send the arms forward. And now as you reach back with those arms, think of tightening in your core. Feel how the weight of the arms kind of load your abdominals. You want to think of pushing your rib cage heavy down to the mat. And if you can really reach your ribs into the mat and into the floor, you might feel a shake in those abs. Exhale, float the arms up. Let's do that 2 more times. Inhale, reach back. And exhale, float the arms up. Good. Now we'll take the arms back, hold them there, and then send your thighs away from your center to your point of control. Maybe your toes tap the mat in front of you without moving the spine, and pull everything back into the center. Do that again. Reach the arms back, tighten in your core. Reach your toes slowly down towards the floor, keeping everything tight, and bring them back up. reaching the arms up. 2 more times. Arms reach back. Legs reach out and down. Toes tap into a puddle of water. They come right back up. And the arms lift up to the ceiling. Pull your knees into your chest, resting those abs, and then we'll add on. From here, let's step the feet down to the mat and reach the arms up to the ceiling. Now take a big breath in. This time, exhale, reaching your arms back, your ribs down, your abs in tight. Now inhale, lift your arms up to the ceiling. Exhale, send the arms forward, lift your head, neck, and shoulders up to look right into your belly button. Now take a big breath in here and exhale to sink your abdominals down deeper towards the mat. Find a shake in that low belly. Lower your head down, reach your arms to the sky. We'll do that again. Inhale here at the top. Exhale, send the arms back to tighten the belly down to your spine. Inhale, reach the arms to the ceiling. And exhale, curl up as you send your arms forward. Hold there for 3. Curl up a little bit higher for 2. Maybe a little bit more for 1. And then send your head down and reach your arms to the sky. Big inhale here. Exhale, reach the arms back to tighten the core. Inhale, send the arms to the sky. Exhale, lift the head, neck, and shoulders, curling high up off the floor, looking into your powerhouse, breathing in and breathing out and holding, trying to curl a little bit deeper, working that scoop, finding a shake in the low belly, squeezing the thighs together. Lower your head down, reach your arms straight up to the ceiling. Let's do that one more time. Inhale. Exhale, reach the arms back, tighten the abs. Inhale, arms up to the sky. Exhale, curl up, reach the arms forward, deepening your scoop, the belly in, the sides of the waist cinch. Hold there, curl up higher, 3. Hold there, curl up higher, 2. Hold there, curl up higher, 1. Lower your head down. Lift your arms. Now pick your knees back up into your chest. Let's add the legs to that. We'll only do it once. So inhale here. Exhale, abs in, send the arms back. Inhale, reach all the way up and forward. Exhale, curl up, reaching the arms ahead. Now hold there, we'll send the toes down, tap them, lift them up. 3, don't move the spine, don't spill that pelvis. Reach. Keep everything tight. 2, curl up a little bit higher. Reach those toes down. 3, curl up a little bit more. And then lower your head down, lift your arms up. From there, you can hug your knees into the chest. Rock and roll yourself all the way up to sit and spin around. We're going to do a forearm plank, last thing for the day. We won't stay here forever, don't worry. So now come down onto your forearms. I want you to send one leg back behind you, tuck your toe under, lower your hips so that you're flat through your body, push down through those forearms and elbows, and then send the other leg out long, scoop your abdominals in. Now it's up to you here to pull that waist up and in towards the ceiling and just breathe. And like I said, we won't be here for long. We'll hold this here for 5, hold it for 4, hold it for 3, and for 2, keep scooping in. Nice long neck, relax shoulders, the abs are tight. Keep holding, don't die yet, we're almost there. Holding for 1.5 and 1 3/4. And just kidding, go ahead and lower your knees down. Sit back onto your heels, take a deep stretch in a child's pose. Big breath in and out. Good. And you're all set for the day. Congrats on finishing day 1 of your 30-day challenge. Go ahead and do that check-in with yourself, how you're feeling. I will see you on the mat tomorrow. Bye for now.